Reupholstering with the right fabric is hugely transformative. It's not cheap, but it is such a game changer. Hi Dameen, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and welcome to the living room of our Cudgera Creek farmhouse project. This living room was not an easy one to come up with a furniture layout. There are 4 entry points plus a window. What we used here is a 3-seater sofa that we found from IKEA that was just very classic in shape, but which we had recovered in a fabric which I like to call granny chic. We wanted to place an armchair in this corner, but we had to be very mindful about the size of it because it's not a big space. The tub chair was the perfect size. Again, it's an IKEA piece and we had it recovered in a very classic, simple stripe. This particular footstool had very generic, very boring feet on it, which just didn't do it justice. So we actually replaced the feet on it to a much more traditional spindle style foot. The pendant light in here is a real hero. It's large and it's this chunky cane and it adds a real sense of interest and anchoring to this space, which I absolutely love. We've gone with 4 very traditional glass brass wall lights in this space, and they're actually up lights, so they throw a really beautiful light and is a really nice alternative to just lots of overheads. I really love the vintage artwork in this space. Georgina, the homeowner, found it at an op shop. And what I love about op shop art is you're able to get an original piece of art that's signed for a very affordable price.